Hey Knights, it's Jen.
And I'm Mia. Welcome back to another episode of Nightly News.
Let's kick things off with some early September events. Today, September 3rd, make sure to check your advocacy class because the Student of the Month names will be posted. If you see your name, head to the stage at lunch to pick up your certificate and a special treat.
Also, tonight, our band parent meeting runs from 6 to 7 p.m. And on September 8th, boosters will meet in the Kerr Library.
And speaking of events, you won't want to miss our first school dance of the year.
And Knights, we know one of the biggest questions on your mind. What's the theme of our first dance?
That's right. The dance is happening on September 26th, and today we've got a special reveal just for you.
Let's roll the video and find out the theme together.
Join us for the Beach Bash on Friday, September 26th. The dance runs from 3:30 to 5 and wear your most beachy attire.
The beach bash is going to be a blast.
For sure, but Knights, the fun starts even sooner. Kerr Boosters' next fundraiser is a Dine Out at Leatherby's on September 9th from 5 to 11 p.m.
You'll be getting a flyer from your teacher, but even if you forget it, just mention you're part of Kerr. 20% of your purchase will go right back to our school.
Then the very next day, September 10th, we got a Fundraiser Assembly.
And on September 11th, it's a double header. First, cross-country pictures, and later our volleyball team hits the road for an away game.
Don't worry, Knights. The action will continue back home. On September 12th, we'll host the volleyball home game. And that same day is Club Rush, a perfect time to find a club that fits you.
Also, remember to wear red or black to support your spirit team on Fridays.
We love recognizing students who are doing awesome things around Kerr.
These are the talkative winners. Third place goes to Evelyn S. Second place goes to Phoenix B. And first place goes to Evelyn L. Thank you for all who participated and congratulations to the winners.
Which brings us to our next feature. Here's Hannah on more Kerr Kudos.
Hey Knights, I'm here to tell you all about the Kerr Kudos store. First off, you can receive Kerr Kudos from teachers and staff for them spotting you showing the Kerr motto. With those kudos, you can buy lots of snacks, drinks, toys, accessories, and many other things from the store. The Kerr Kudos store is located in the MP room in the window by the lunch door. The Kerr Kudos store is open every Friday. You should show the Kerr motto in order to earn kudos. Remember that the Kerr Kudos are only good for this school year. This is Hannah. Back to you, KNTV crew.
Thanks, Anna. Moving on with our next announcement, don't miss Family Picnic in the Park on September 19th. It's a chance to have your family bring your favorite lunch. You can hang out and have some fun.
Now before we wrap this episode up, let's highlight something cool that has happened. Recently, Mr. Yates and Mrs. Knowles' students built and launched their own paper rockets. The furthest rocket went 390 feet. Congratulations to Tessa McMahon and Lauren Ball for their engineering talents.
Here's some footage of the launches. Teachers, if your classes are doing special projects, let Mrs. know a week ahead so we can feature them on KNTV.
And that brings us to the end of this episode.
Remember, Knights show kindness, effort, respect, and responsibility.